Hey guys, my name is Bob from New Jersey. Just want to do a quick review. It's part 1 of 2. Today I'm going to show you the grips I just installed in my gun by Talon grips. And tomorrow I'll be shooting it. You can definitely see there's some outstanding grips made by the company Talon. My buddy had them on a Glock, which they usually just made them for. They've come out for Springfield XD line. So here's my XD40. Had a bunch of different kind of grips on here. I've had the rubber sleeves. I've had other adhesive grips. And I fell in love with them when I touched my buddy's Glock. They're just an outstanding grip. Installs 5 minutes. Put it on there, it just rolls right over. Adhesive on the back. And also what you do is it says one of the instructions to blow dry them on. You just heat up all the grip. You push it down firmly, and actually it starts molding to the grip. And you know what? It doesn't leave any residue. I've actually had to take it off once already by accident. Leaves no residue on the gun. And you know what? It keeps the original feel of the gun, but it gives you that little extra stability and grip that you need. Feel great. It's a great grip. I really recommend you buy them. They're $9.99 from TalonGunGrips.com. That includes shipping. Cannot beat it. If you have a Glock or a Springfield XD, definitely worth $10. Okay, so this is a part 1 of 2. And tomorrow I'll be shooting with them. They're going to feel outstanding. So, well, hope you guys enjoyed it.